Most people over 60 start their morning completely wrong. Not because they are lazy, not because they do not care, because nobody told them that what you eat in the first hour after waking sets your brain's chemistry for the entire day. One breakfast can either protect your memory or accelerate its decline every single morning for the rest of your life. The biblical world had 10 specific foods they ate every single morning. Foods that cost almost nothing. Foods that are in every grocery store right now. And a growing body of neuroscience keeps arriving at the same conclusion about every single one of them. Number 8 was eaten every morning across the entire biblical world, and Johns Hopkins found it reduces Alzheimer's risk by 53%. Number 3 takes 30 seconds to prepare and delivers more brain protective compounds before 9 a.m. than most people get in an entire week. 10 foods, 1 breakfast. Your brain will feel the difference tonight. If this is already making you think differently about your morning, hit subscribe right now. We post every single week, and every video goes deeper than the last. You do not want to miss what is coming next. Now let's get into it. Number 10, olive oil. Pour it over everything before 9 a.m. 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil every morning. Over your eggs, over your bread. Straight from the spoon if nothing else is available. Olive oil contains oleocanthal. It works through the same anti-inflammatory pathway as ibuprofen. But unlike ibuprofen, it does not damage your stomach lining. And unlike ibuprofen, it crosses the blood-brain barrier and helps flush amyloid proteins from your brain tissue. Every single morning, before anything else, that is the practice. Number 9. Eggs. The brain food every biblical household had. Eggs contain choline, and choline is the direct precursor to acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter most responsible for memory formation and recall. Alzheimer's disease is characterized by dramatic loss of acetylcholine activity. Every egg you eat gives your brain the raw material to produce more of it. 2 eggs every morning, soft cooked or poached, not scrambled in industrial seed oil. The biblical world had eggs every single morning and never thought twice about it. But what comes next on this list surprised researchers more than eggs did. Number 8. Walnuts. The brain-shaped nut Johns Hopkins studied. This is the one referenced at the beginning of this video. A Johns Hopkins study analyzing dietary patterns and cognitive decline found that regular walnut consumption was associated with a 53% reduction in Alzheimer's risk. Not a modest improvement. More than half the risk gone, from a handful of nuts that costs almost nothing. Walnuts are the only nut with significant alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that maintains the structural integrity of brain cell membranes. Without it, those membranes stiffen. Communication between neurons slows. Memory suffers. 6 to 8 walnuts every morning, raw, unsalted. That is the practice. Number 7, raw honey. 1 teaspoon before anything sweet. Not the clear processed honey in the plastic bear. Raw, unfiltered honey. The kind that is cloudy and thick and tastes completely different. Raw honey contains over 200 bioactive compounds destroyed by the heating process used in commercial production. Its natural sugars deliver the brain a gentle, steady fuel source without the glucose spike that damages neurons. Its polyphenols reduce neuroinflammation directly. Archaeologists found 3,000-year-old raw honey in Egyptian tombs, still edible. The people who stored it that way understood something about what they had. 1 teaspoon in warm water or over food every morning. Raw and unfiltered only. Number 6. Pomegranate seeds. The fruit carved into Solomon's temple. 200 pomegranates were carved into the pillars of Solomon's temple, the most sacred architecture in the ancient world. And pomegranate seeds were on every morning table across the biblical world because generation after generation watched what happened to people who ate them versus those who did not. A UCLA study found that adults who consumed pomegranate daily showed significantly better verbal memory scores after just 4 weeks. Brain imaging confirmed increased metabolic activity in memory regions. A small handful of fresh pomegranate seeds every morning, on top of anything, takes 30 seconds. Number 5. Barley porridge. The grain Jesus fed to 5,000. When Jesus fed 5,000 people, the loaves were not made from wheat. They were made from barley, the grain of ordinary people. And those ordinary people were eating one of the most brain-protective grains ever studied every single morning for their entire lives. Barley contains the highest concentration of beta-glucan fiber found in any grain on Earth. Beta-glucan stabilizes blood sugar for hours after eating. It feeds the gut bacteria that produce butyrate. And butyrate crosses the blood-brain barrier and activates the glymphatic system, the brain's overnight cleaning mechanism. A bowl of whole barley porridge every morning. Not instant oats, whole barley, cooked slow, the way the biblical world ate it. Number 4. Fresh garlic. 1 clove before the day begins. The Israelites wandering in the wilderness wept for garlic. Grown adults, delivered from slavery, mourning a food so intensely they could not stop thinking about it. If you understand what garlic does to the brain, their grief becomes completely rational. 1 crushed raw garlic clove allowed to rest for 10 minutes produces allicin. Allicin crosses the blood-brain barrier and inhibits the accumulation of amyloid beta proteins. It reduces platelet aggregation, improving blood flow to the brain. It supports the liver's detoxification pathways, reducing the toxic load the brain manages daily. 1 raw crushed clove every morning, mixed into food, 10 minutes after crushing for maximum allicin production. That is the practice. Number 3. Turmeric with black pepper. 30 seconds. Maximum brain protection. This is the one referenced at the beginning of this video. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, warm water or warm milk. 30 seconds to prepare. Curcumin, turmeric's active compound, directly inhibits the formation of both amyloid plaques and tau tangles simultaneously. Those are the 2 defining physical features of Alzheimer's disease. A UCLA clinical trial found measurably lower amyloid and tau signals in the brains of adults who took curcumin daily for 18 months. The black pepper increases curcumin absorption by 2,000%. The ancient world discovered that combination thousands of years before anyone understood the mechanism. Every morning, without exception, 30 seconds. That is all it takes. Number 2. Fresh figs or dried figs. The prescription that saved a king. When King Hezekiah was dying, the prophet Isaiah prescribed figs directly onto the wound. The king recovered. Modern science found that figs contain ficin, an enzyme that breaks down damaged tissue, and antimicrobial compounds that inhibit bacterial growth. But eaten as breakfast food, figs do something equally remarkable for the aging brain. They contain rutin, a compound that inhibits BACE1, the enzyme responsible for producing amyloid beta proteins. Inhibiting BACE1 is the primary target of multiple major Alzheimer's drug development programs. Figs contain a natural compound that does it for almost nothing. 2 fresh figs or 4 dried figs every morning. That is the practice. Number 1. Raw whole milk or fermented dairy. The living food. The biblical world never abandoned. Milk and honey flow under your tongue. Song of Solomon. The promised land flowing with milk and honey. Scripture references this combination more than almost any other food pairing. And the milk the biblical world consumed was raw, whole, and alive in ways that commercial dairy is not. Raw, or traditionally fermented dairy, contains beneficial bacteria that colonize the gut and produce the short-chain fatty acids that protect the brain via the gut-brain axis. It contains fat-soluble vitamins A, D, and K too, in their most bioavailable forms. And it delivers calcium and phosphorus for the neural signaling that underlies every memory your brain forms. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher dairy consumption was associated with significantly better cognitive performance in adults over 60. The protection was strongest in those consuming full-fat dairy consistently over long periods. Full-fat yogurt, kefir, raw milk if available, every single morning. The living food, the biblical world never abandoned, and that modern populations have systematically replaced with processed alternatives that deliver none of the same neurological benefit. 10 foods, 1 breakfast, every single morning. Here is the truth. You do not need a new diet. You do not need expensive supplements. You need to put these 10 foods on your breakfast table the way the biblical world put them on theirs. Every morning, consistently, for the rest of your life. Pick 2 from this list. Start tomorrow morning, not next week, tomorrow. Drop a comment and tell me which 2 you are starting with. I read every single comment on this channel. And if you have not subscribed yet, do it right now. We post every single week. Every video goes deeper than the last. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. You do not want to miss what is coming next.